Now, when we receive the goods, we have two parts. This is the power. This is the main machine. Now, first remove the screw. And also remove the cover. Remove the cover. And take care about the cable.
这地方需要往上面提一下，打开，然后把这个给它拿出来。
Push it, then get it out of the cable. Put it on another side. Weight unit. The weight unit for the four sides cannot touch this column. Must be have some space. Now we fix the furnace. For the furnace, this direction must be to the right side. Okay, this the two line is for contacting furnace for heating. Now we fix the furnace. For this first screw, maybe not easy to fix it, must be careful. Now we contact the air input pipe. Okay.
这个要稍微给它松一点。
First, we loose the screw.
没有顺序啊。
For this two line, get into any hole is okay. This is a sensor. You see, we already make the mark on the sensor. You see this black. Also here is the arrow. Make it the black against this arrow. The same function, the same direction. Put the sensor inside with the same direction of this arrow.
镊子工具。
Use this to precise.让他看见。Okay. Make the black mark to be the same direction with the arrow. Okay. Also make sure the sensor cannot touch each side of the furnace. Okay. Now we contact the cable and put the cover back. And put the cover back. Okay, now the cover of the furnace, first we fix it. Tight the screw. Now we fix the cover back. Now we contact the cable. There's a two line. One is for two hole. This is 5. Also, this 5 hole contact this 5. This 5 hole. Make it the same. This is the power cable. This is the air pipe for contacting this. Yeah, this connecting for connecting. As this just for simple operation, so we do not contact it.
这个有节气瓶。
For this one is for contacting the air bottle. Okay, now we turn on the power. When you fix this machine, if this DSC within positive or negative 0.5 MW, it means the it means the machine is okay. Also, the temperature, environment temperature and thermal temperature should be almost the same, and with the environment temperature, it means the contacting is right. Also, the DJ should be 0 or very small, not very big value. It will be okay. If the DSC or DJ, the value is not regular, it means maybe the weight unit you are fixing not good. Initial screen. This is a parameter setting, equipment information. Here is parameter setting. Before. Here is equipment information, company information. Also the very important that the sensor, the black mark must be against the arrow direction. This is very important. Okay, now we do the sample test.
就演示一下吧。
This is a tuber.
两个干锅。
We do not put.
其中一个放这个。
OK。好。
比如说设置温度，这个升温速率。
Heating rate。
20就是每分钟升20度 ，OK。
OK。
然后这个目标温度，比如说加热到500度，加热到500度。这个就是恒温时间。
Constant keeping time。
这是分钟，10分钟。
10 minutes。
勾选一下。
OK。
这个就可以运行。
And press run. Now it started. It will start testing. Now the temperature is upping. You see the temperature is going up. If you want to stop, you can press stop. Confirm. Okay.
我给它目标，我让它分两次升温。
Now we can make two sections. The first section is the heating rate 20, target temperature 300, and the constant time is 10 minutes. The second section make it 10, 500 target temperature. Also we can make it 5 minutes. Okay, now if we press start, it will run two sections, the first section and the second section together. Make sure the sensor cannot touch the wall of each side. If the sensor touch the wall, you can make it tightly to make the sensor in the middle. Not touch the wall, it will be okay. When you remove the sensor, you must hold the weight unit. You use the hand to hold the weight unit, then push the sensor. Yeah, that's okay. Must first hold the weight unit, then push it. Okay.